Ultimate Guide to Remote Freelance Writing. With the rise of the internet and the increasing popularity of remote work, freelance writing has become a lucrative career option for many individuals. Being able to work from the comfort of your own home and have the flexibility to choose your own projects and clients is a dream come true for many aspiring writers. In this ultimate guide to remote freelance writing jobs, we will explore the ins and outs of this career path, providing you with all the information you need to embark on a successful home-based writing journey. One of the first steps to becoming a remote freelance writer is to establish your online presence. This includes creating a professional website or blog where you can showcase your writing samples, list your services, and provide contact information for potential clients. Having a strong online presence is crucial as it allows clients to easily find and assess your work before hiring you. Additionally, consider joining freelance writing platforms and job boards where you can find writing gigs and connect with clients. When it comes to finding remote freelance writing jobs, there are several avenues you can explore. Many companies and individuals are constantly looking for talented writers to create content for their websites, blogs, social media platforms, and marketing materials. Consider reaching out to businesses in your niche and pitching your services directly. Additionally, freelance marketplaces such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are excellent platforms to find writing gigs and build your portfolio. It's important to note that remote freelance writing jobs can vary greatly in terms of compensation. Some clients may offer a fixed fee per project, while others may pay per word or hour. It's crucial to establish clear communication with your clients regarding payment terms and ensure that you are being fairly compensated for your work. Keep in mind that building a successful freelance writing career takes time, and it may be necessary to start with lower-paying gigs to gain experience and build your reputation. In order to succeed as a remote freelance writer, it's important to constantly improve your writing skills and stay updated on industry trends. This can be done through reading books and articles on writing, taking online courses, and attending writing workshops and conferences. Additionally, consider joining writing communities and networking with other writers to gain insights and support. Time management is another key aspect of remote freelance writing. Working from home can be both a blessing and a curse, as it provides flexibility but also potential distractions. It's important to establish a routine and set specific working hours to ensure productivity. Additionally, consider utilizing time management tools and techniques, such as the Pomodoro technique, to stay focused and meet deadlines. As a remote freelance writer, it's important to continuously market yourself and promote your services. This can be done through social media platforms, guest blogging, and creating valuable content that showcases your expertise. Networking with potential clients and building relationships within your industry can also lead to new writing opportunities. In conclusion, remote freelance writing jobs offer an exciting and flexible career path for individuals who have a passion for writing. By establishing your online presence, actively seeking writing gigs, and continuously improving your skills, you can create a successful home-based writing career. Remember to manage your time effectively, market yourself, and always deliver high-quality work to ensure long-term success in this competitive field.